Hey you guys, and welcome back to Diva Styles. We're gonna be walking through my house really quickly so that I can show you. That's my daughter's room right there. This artwork that I made with foam boards. This is that's one of them that I did right there. I love how that turned out, how it came out. Also, the other one that I did is right here on this wall. As you guys know, I've done that one, and then I just did a collage beside it. You guys, these are really simple projects. If you want to know how I did these, please stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so I have two more ideas that you can do with the foam board that is cute. It is cheap. You know, foam board is just $1 at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be making a picture collage. So all I did was just take some, a bunch of, I got a ton of pictures. Printed them out, no special paper, just on regular paper. And I'm going to cut each one of these out. And then I am going to just glue it onto my foam board. I have one more piece of the black one. I'm going to just glue it on there with the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to put a coat of Mod Podge over it to give it that glossy effect. Or I could run these through my laminator and laminate. You know what? I think I'm gonna laminate the pictures first and then Mod Podge them. Yeah, I'm going to laminate the pictures first, and then I'm going to Mod Podge them on there. And then I will be back with the finished look and for idea number 2. Alright, you guys, I am back, and I actually ended up just laminating each picture, but this is how it came out. I love it. I am going to be probably doing a bunch of these and hanging up like all throughout the house and the hallways and everything, but I love how it came out. You can also add a frame to it if you wanted to, you know, make a frame. But yeah. And then my next idea that I did with the foam board is I actually did like a piece of art. What I did was I took some tape and just randomly just put the tape over the foam board, and I painted it with just acrylic paint. But before I did, I tested out this kind of paint, just regular, you know, rose tape and wasabi tape, to see if when I go to peel it off, if it's going to take the picture off. And as you can see, neither one of these tapes worked. It peeled the paper off, and I did not want that, so I did not use this kind of tape or wasabi tape. I actually ended up using contact paper. And those pieces of, I'm gonna call them art, wall decor, I already have hanging up, so I'm going to just be putting in pictures of what they look like. But if you have any questions on that at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, you guys, somebody's coming in my room, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.